Hello everyone. Today we will see our new topic, which is drawing with turtles. A turtle in Python is like a turtle in the real world. We know a turtle as a reptile that moves around very slowly and carries its house on its back. In the world of Python, turtle as a small black arrow that moves slowly around the screen. The turtle is a nice way to learn some of the basics of computer graphics. We will use a Python turtle to draw some simple shapes and lines. Now we will be using the Python turtle module. The turtle module is a way of programming vector graphics, which is basically just drawing with simple lines, dots and curves. Now we will see how the turtle works. First, start the Python shell by clicking the desktop icon. Next, tell Python to use the turtle by importing the turtle module. So this is the command to add turtle module. Import turtle. Importing a module, tell Python that you want to use it. Now we will see creating a canvas. We have imported the turtle module. We need to create a canvas, a blank space to draw on, like an artist canvas. So we call the function pen from the turtle module, which automatically creates a canvas. Enter this into the Python shell. This is the command to add a pen from the turtle module. So the command is t is equal to turtle.pen then bracket. You should see a blank box. It is the canvas, which an arrow in the center. You can see it on the screen. Now the next is moving the turtle. We just created similar to using the pen function in the turtle module. For example, the forward instructions tells the turtle to move forward. To tell the turtle to advance 50 pixels, enter this command t dot forward in bracket 50. Now see the output. The turtle has moving forward 50 pixels. A pixel is a single point on the screen. Now we will draw a square. So add this code to the lines. T dot forward 50 and T dot left 90. Now you need to repeat this 3 more times. Now you will see the turtle has drawn a square. To erase the canvas, enter reset. This clears the canvas and puts the turtle back at starting position. This is the command to reset the position. So you can type t.reset bracket. This function are written in the same way as the others we have used. Now let's try another drawing using some of these commands. This time we will have the turtle draw 2 lines. So these are the command to draw the 2 lines. T.reset bracket, T.backward in bracket 100, then T.up bracket, T.right 90, T.forward 20, T.left 90, T dot down and T dot forward 100. So first we reset the canvas and move the turtle back to its starting position with T dot reset. Next thing is we move the turtle backward 200 pixels with T dot backward 100. And then we use T dot up bracket to pick up the pen and stop drawing. Then with the command t dot right 90, we turn the turtle right 90 degrees to point down toward the bottom of the screen. And with t dot forward 20, we move forward 20 pixels. We turn the turtle left 90 degrees to face right with t dot left 90, and then with the down command we tell the turtle to put the pen back down and start drawing again. Finally, we draw a line forward parallel to the first line we drew with t dot forward 100. The two parallel lines we have drawn end up looking like this.